Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, expiration day and a fairly quiet opening to expiration day. However, as we move through the session, markets are maintaining some upside momentum with all the major averages higher on the session now. And with that, the VIX under some pressure. VIX cash right around 19.5 currently. And looking at realized volatility week over week, a little bit of a yin and yang story this week, with short-dated realized volatility ticking higher, 10-day from 16.5 to 18. However, 30-day realized volatility ticking lower week over week from 20 down to 18. At the money straddle in the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 18. So that's actually higher week over week from 16.5 last week. So we are seeing a little bit of an increase in demand for at the money options in the SPX as we move through expiration today. Futures, VIX futures moving lower, and the term structure is steepening today. The roll market has widened by about 25 cents. The February-March roll now out to $1.10. And the steepening of the curve, as I mentioned, persists basically through the summer of 2023. And really, when you look at the futures curve, a fairly normalized futures curve with contango across the entire curve. Activity in the VIX options. Let's look at February puts active. Out of the money puts are pretty active. Then the February calls are trading actively with the April calls. We did see a rolling of positions, it appears, from February to April, with the February lines of 34 and 47.5 being rolled to April 55.80 lines. Also, we're looking at March puts pretty active in the out-of-the-money puts in the 18 through 20 lines in today's action. Next week, several things could influence the vol structure. We have some data points early in the week. Now, one thing is the Fed will be in their quiet period, so we're not going to have any Fed speak until February 1st. Also, earnings highlighted by Microsoft, as well as some oil names and some airlines. And then finally, we will be post-expiration next week, so there could be some continued repositioning as we move into a new cycle.